love that.
Yeah. I just don't want to get any more wet.
Have you ever asked yourself, would you ride Kali River Rapids in December? Middle of December? Is it too cold?
I've never asked myself that.
You are asking yourself that right now. And that's what we're gonna do.
I'm doing it.
And we're gonna show you guys, we're gonna take you along with us for this expedition and see how cold it is and how wet you get. Are you excited, Kristen?
Yes!
Okay. Nobody wants to see your stank feet. Ooh, look over there. That one's missing a head.
What happened to him? In the comments, you guys tell us how you think that guy lost his head.
Cobra. Why'd it have to be snakes? The good thing about coming here in December for this ride is there's absolutely no line whatsoever. Pretty much walk right on. We're seeing a lot of wet people get off of this ride. Everybody's getting nervous. Everybody's starting to get nervous. Oh man, he got it bad. I want y'all to look at how mad this guy is right here. He doesn't.
Show your seatbelt on.
He don't want to get wet.
All right.
Kali River Rapids. We're backwards right now. You ever notice when everybody else on the boat has on rain gear, except for our family? That's how we roll. Who needs rain gear? We're probably not going to get wet, right?
Sexy hair flip.
Look at that hair flip. Just look at it. All right, we're spinning around. We're about to go up the ramp here. Here we go. Ooh. Sawyer, are you ready?
You know how it is.
Here we go.
You know what it is?
What is it? Liddy.
Just look at that bread.
Look at it. Just look behind me. Look at that ramp.
Look at that sucker.
All right, we're facing the other way right now.
That's going to be our first.
Oh, it's misty. Sure is misty. See a waterfall coming up. There's a waterfall. Right. We're floating. We're floating.
And now we float.
See? Nice and easy. Nothing to worry about here, guys. Look at his face.
I can't.
He's so mad.
I don't know why I hopped.
He's having fun. He hates getting wet.
Despise getting wet.
Splash Mountain did not do not do him any favors. He got so mad.
You just remember, now it's your fault.
Splish splash, I was taking a bath.
Little dipper.
Little crisp in the air today. Little dippers. Oh, snap. Oh, we got problems out here, guys. We got problems out here.
What's the problem?
Look at the trees. They're all burnt, cut down. It seems like a problem, doesn't it, Sawyer?
Donate to Team Trees.
Why do you think they have this big orange thing in the middle?
Say like,
So you can hold on?
yeah.
Why would you need to hold on?
I don't know.
Unless there's a little rapid coming.
Little splish
Not bad, guys. That was fun. Oh, it was fun.
Just got it again.
Little splish
splash.
Splish splash. I got a little bit on my phone here.
Another section
Wait,
here.
there's not another one, is there? Oh! Somebody sprayed
That's a
us. Lila, how you doing?
That's a little splish spray.
You like it?
If you know
A
what
little
I
splish play. Yeah. Look at us. Here we go. Here we go.
Back at it again.
Rain! Oh! Oh no! Oh boy! Here they come! Oh! Woo! He got wet. Hey, at least they don't have people squirting stuff at you.
Yes, they do at the end of the rock.
Oh, they do?
What the heck?
They wouldn't do that to us, would they?
You squirt, you're bad.
They wouldn't squirt us, would they?
Oh no, here they come.
There goes the elephant. All right, Tip, you gotta watch out for these elephants right here. They're gonna get us, right? Oh! 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 Watch out! Ooh! All
Just a
right.
little bop bop.
So overall,
I just went.
it's not that bad. I mean, we're a little damp. Water was a little cold, right?
That doesn't. It looks more damp to you.
Yeah, that's just my Everest shirt. It looks like that. So the water was a little cold, but in December, I would say go for it. Go for it.
Yes, sir.
The family says go for it. Tucker,
Not so much.
he's a hard pass, but a little bit of whiplash there. But I say go for it. It's fun. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time on Sawyer
In the middle.
in the Middle.